If you're not using video in your business yet, you might have a bunch of different reasons why not, but there's way more reasons why you should. Hey business owners, today I want to tell you about the business nervous system, 3 things that every business needs to survive. Hey guys, so if you're new to this channel, my name is Lucas. We make videos about how to grow your business using the power of video and storytelling. And we also teach filmmakers how to make better short films. But this video is about the nervous system of every business, 3 things that every business needs to survive, and how video helps you crush it. So the first part of the business nervous system is money. The M word. So pretty much making sales, making money, profit. And if a business isn't making money, then it's not really a business. Every business leader would love to have more money flow through their business because they know what the potential is for their business to grow if they had more money. The second part of the business nervous system is time. In my opinion, time is like the main asset for a business or for anyone's life. To be able to have time on their side, you can accomplish so much more. No one likes to waste time doing things that they could do with less time. If you have more time in your business, there's so much more you can do. There's so much more you can get done. If you could do something in one day instead of taking a week, you would definitely take that because time is such a valuable asset. And you want to be able to have time to do the things you love in life and not waste all your time doing things you hate. And also you want to grow your business in the most efficient way possible and not take years and years and years to grow it to the point where you want, but you want to save that time. Time is so important. The third part of the business nervous system is relationships. The more relationships you have as a business or an individual, the more opportunities that are available to you. The more deep relationships you have, the quicker those opportunities will come to you. I see relationships as building a platform, more people knowing you, believing in your brand, believing in your business, more connections. If you have the right connections, you can do anything. It's not what you know, it's who you know most of the time. So if you're good friends with someone high up, you automatically go there. So building relationships with people is so important. If you don't have money, time, or relationships, your business starts to die. But the more of it you have, the more it can grow. So I want to give you some ideas about how you can use video to help in all 3 areas. Video is the ultimate selling tool because you can actually show someone and build trust rapidly instead of just tell. So for example, if you're trying to advertise your restaurant or something like that, instead of telling people that it's such a nice atmosphere, you could show them with a video and people can connect with that way more. You can make videos that sell for you and that have the structure to hook them, show them what they need to know, and call them to action. And that video works for you as a marketing selling tool. So if you need more money, go make a video. So with time, video is not just a selling tool, but it's also an automation tool. The main way is saving the time it takes to explain your business or show someone the value. So if you're answering calls all the time or always having meetings and explaining the value, you can save that time by sending them a video or having your video in the right places where people come to you and they already know what you do, who you are, and how you can help them. A few other ways that you can save time is automate different processes in your business. For example, if you have to train multiple employees, make a video so you only have to do the training once and then you can feed that throughout all your employees. Another way is frequently asked questions. If people are always asking you the same questions, go shoot some engaging videos that explain those questions or put those on your website or a YouTube channel, and all of a sudden you saved your time explaining these few questions that you always get. Another really cool way to automate a process in your business is once people have already hired you, say you have a service, you can have a set of videos that you send them to take them along your process.
Thank you so much for purchasing a Leader to Gloria gown. Today I wanted to share with you a little bit about what's to come in the process.
Maybe you need to educate them on what happens next, or maybe you need to show them the process so that it saves time when they come to work with you. They know what's going to happen and things move quicker. And then the final one, relationships. Video is the best way to build more relationships because you can build a platform online with video and you can reach more people and build connections. So the way to build a lot of relationships is to give a lot of value and to create videos regularly that give people value and that people want to subscribe. When you really give people value, they want to stick around. They see you as the leader or the expert in the field. They love whatever value you give them, so they want to subscribe. If you put out really good videos that connect with people, engage people, educate people, entertain people, you're building a deeper relationship with them because you've connected with them and you've given them a reason to really love your brand. Those kind of relationships really stick. And when you build genuine, meaningful relationships, that's when you're going to see a return on the content that you put out. When people come to you, they see you as the expert, they see you as the leader, and they want to hire you, they want to work with you, and you've built up a platform for yourself using video. So those are some cool ideas on video, and it pretty much explains why I think video is the best business tool of our day and age. If you're not using video in your business yet, you might have a bunch of different reasons why not, but there's way more reasons why you should. I really encourage you to start implementing videos into your business and watch your business grow. Hope this video helped you. If you liked it, leave a comment, let us know what was your favorite part. Click like on the video, and if you want more content, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next week.